Hello my people, now welcome back to another video. If today is the first day where you always see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you when I say you always come back to watch my video. So guys, if this one I want to know how to cook this yummy and delicious no frying method egusi soup, then keep on watching. Abeg, if you never subscribe, make you not forget to subscribe, make you like, make you comment, make you share. Okay guys, this egusi soup na one of the best. Okay, so first of all, I dey like to fry my egusi. Yes, I dey like to fry my egusi. No, if I fry am, they get this taste, no, this aroma wey dey give to my egusi soup. And if you be person wey be say you know dey like to eat egusi soup because why e dey purge you, see guys, just go through this process. Fry your egusi soup, okay? I mean, fry the egusi like this before you blend them, okay? Then before you cook them. Trust me, you will like your egusi. Like your egusi will come out very tasty, yummy and delicious. So after I don fry and finish, then I can set them aside. So for our meat, we go to use cow leg, beef, shaki and our body, okay? Cow stripe, yes. Now we go to use for this food, for the egusi. So guys, I just put my onions, put one seasoning, salt, ginger paste, then I can put water, then I can cover and make it cook. Yes guys, I can cover and make it cook. So guys, I beg, make una dey share my video. My people, I beg, make una dey share my video. So guys, as our meat dey cook now, I can say okay, make we blend the egusi. So this na the egusi. I just dey blend down. It all cool down, so I can't blend them. So guys, make una enjoy the rest of the video.
More music on DavePlay.com.
So my people, our meat done ready. Then I can put my smoked mackerel fish. This na mackerel fish, okay? I smoke them. Then I can put them. Then I can put pepper, dry pepper. Then I can put crayfish, blended crayfish. Then I can stir. So guys, if you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, wait till you see the wait for. Oh yeah, make you press that red button there. We say subscribe, okay? Subscribe to this channel, make you not forget to. Then I can put red oil. Then I can stir everything together. Then I can cover and make it simmer for some time. Then later I can put the blended egusi. Yes, so then I can put my egusi. Then after I put that, then I can cover and make it cook. My house dey scent already. Everywhere don dey set egusi. My neighbor don't know say yes, mommy great dey cook egusi soup. Check out this egusi soup now. Check this soup out. Then later I can stir. Making all those God is working on your matter. One day you go better. Don't give up. Encourage yourself. Encourage yourself. So my people, our egusi soup done ready. This egusi soup tastes so yummy, tastes so good guys. If you use and eat eba, semo, anything, any swallow of your choice, okay? So guys, I'll see you when I get for my next one. Don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in my next one guys. Bye.